We got the top cut out and glued on last episode, and now got the F-holes cut out. That was a really cool video. Check it out on Instagram if you haven't seen that. Then I went out and I cut out a plate of keys, so that I have the first key and the last key, and I use that to dimension the key runner slots. So these ended up being right about the dimension that they were supposed to be at, slightly above, which is good because I can hand run these down to size. And then I ended up doing 10 thou over on that. So my magic number for the key runners is 10/1000ths of an inch. So those fit nicely. So we're gonna cut the rest of the key runners out and then cut the rest of the key plates. Okay, so having some good challenges here with the Nyckelharpa. I've got a set of key runners on here. Let me get my coffee out of the way. So I've got a set of the key runners on here. I manually drilled these holes and then set in nuts to attach the key runners with. Which is some Phillips head hardware. And I'm not really happy with it. You can see I came through on the side here. My drills aren't really accurate. So I'm gonna do yet again, I'm gonna make another set of these key runners. I can't even tell you how many I've done so far, but getting this part right, it's really critical to getting everything to work the way it should here. So I'm gonna take some measurements of this dimension here. I'm gonna transfer that into Fusion. I'm gonna do a little bit of design work, and then we're gonna recut these. So I've recut all these key runners here. Everything's nice and lined up evenly. Everything looks really clean. I've learned a ton about finish quality in maple. It is a tricky material. I like it, but it's difficult. So now moving on to the keys, and I've got so I originally cut a plate of the first and last keys. The way I cut those is like this, with tabs to hold them in. and that creates a little bit more work. And so I've come up with a new way. I tried all kinds of stuff. I tried doing tabs, I tried doing all different kinds of tool paths. And what I come up with that's really working out the best, it's cutting really clean keys, good surface finish, not a lot of work to do on these to get them in shape. But what I'm doing is I'm taking the plate and I'm cutting, this plate is 0.326. So a little bit over my 1/4 inch that I'm going for. I'm cutting a key out of that, then I'm flipping it over, surfacing it off. And that's giving me a really good quality. So I've got a bunch of them done. It looks like I've got 3 more plates to go. We're gonna cut those. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that for this episode. We're going to finish cutting out these keys, get the rest of them cut out. We're going to do the sanding on those and get them ready to start fitting. This next episode is going to be really cool. We're going to fit those keys. I just got back from Four Corners Bluegrass Festival. I'll show you guys a little time lapse of my trip back from Durango to just about Cortez. And like, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.